Welcome to a new video. Today is the day we finally get the Aztec egg. I've been embarrassingly obsessed with this egg all week. Yes, I'm talking about you, mister. I look so bored with existence. Seriously, why you look so mad, bro? Okay, let's buy this thing and crack it open. Here comes an egg hatching montage. Lol. Bro, ask for something. I'm fine. Eek, here we go. I'll be happy with anything other than an uncommon. What a cutie. We scored an ultra rare. I'm happy with that. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and gently press the subscribe button to support this new channel.